Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today I will tell you about Netsuite Demo. Let's start. Introduction. In today's fast-paced and competitive business landscape, organizations need robust tools to manage their operation effectively. Netsuite, a leading cloud-based enterprise resource planning solution, offers a comprehensive suite of applications that empower businesses to optimize processes, enhance productivity, and drive growth. In this Netsuite demo, we will explore the key features and benefits of Netsuite, showcasing how it can transform your business operations. Chapter number 1: Introduction to Netsuite. Netsuite is an integrated cloud business management software suite that encompasses ERP, financial management, customer relationship management, e-commerce, and many more. With Netsuite, businesses can consolidate their core functions into a single unified platform, eliminating the need for multiple software systems and reducing operational complexity. Its cloud-based architectures enables real-time visibility, seamless collaboration, and accessibility from anywhere, making it ideal for organizations of all sizes. Chapter number 2: Netsuite Key Features. ERP functionality. Netsuite ERP capabilities cover areas such as financial management, order management, procurement, inventory, supply chain management, and manufacturing. The integrated nature of NetSuite ERP allows for smooth data flow across departments, enabling efficient operations and accurate reporting. CRM and sales. NetSuite CRM module enables businesses to manage their customer interactions, sales processes, and customer support from a single platform. It provides a 360-degree view of customer information, automates sales workflows, and tracks customer interaction, improving sales effectiveness and customer satisfaction. E-commerce. NetSuite offers a powerful e-commerce platform that enables business to create and manage online stores. It provides features such as inventory management, order processing, payment processing, and marketing automation, allowing organizations to deliver seamless and personalized online shopping experiences. Business intelligence and reporting. NetSuite's built-in analytics and reporting tool provide real-time insight into key business metrics. It offers customizable dashboards, advanced analytics, and robust reporting capabilities, helping organizations making data-driven decisions and monitor performance across various departments. Chapter number 3: Benefits of NetSuite. Enhance efficiency. NetSuite streamlines business processes, automates manual tasks, and eliminates data silos, resulting in improved operational efficiency and reduced errors. It enables organizations to focus more on strategic initiatives and less on administrative tasks. Scalability and flexibility. As a cloud-based solution, NetSuite offers scalability and flexibility to accommodate the changing needs of growing business. It can adapt to evolving requirements, whether it involves new users, expanding into new markets, of integrating with other applications. Cost saving. With NetSuite, businesses can eliminate the need for on-premises hardware, software maintenance, and IT infrastructure investments. Its subscription-based model reduces upfront cost and provides predictable monthly expenses, making it more cost-effective compared to traditional ERP systems. Improved decision making. NetSuite's real-time visibility and reporting capabilities empower organizations to make informed decisions quickly. It provides accurate and up-to-date information across various business functions, enabling stakeholders to access performances, identify trends, and seize growth opportunities. NetSuite ERP. NetSuite ERP is a powerful cloud-based software solution designed to help businesses manage and streamline their core processes, including financial management, inventory management, order management, human resources, customer relationship management, and many more. It provides a unified platform that enables organizations to gain real-time visibility, make data-driven decisions, and enhance operational efficiency across various departments. Oracle NetSuite pricing. Oracle NetSuite is a comprehensive cloud-based business management suite that offers a range of solutions, including enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management, e-commerce, and professional service automation. As a cloud-based solution, NetSuite eliminates the need for on-premises hardware and provides scalability, flexibility, and accessibility from anywhere. NetSuite pricing is based on a subscription model and varies depending on factors such as the number of users, modules required, as the complexity of the implementation. Here are some key points to consider when it comes to NetSuite pricing. Subscription tiers, user license, modules and customization, implementation and support, contract duration, additional cost, pricing, negotiation. As NetSuite pricing can vary significantly based on specific business needs, it's recommended to contact Oracle or a NetSuite representative directly to get accurate pricing information tailored to your requirements. They can provide you with a detailed quote based on your significant needs and guide you through the pricing structure. This was a short review on NetSuite Demo. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.